your tickets though. Anything works. This next song